All right, guys, I wanted to quickly walk through how to do a screenshot when we're on a Windows-based machine. There's a number of ways that we can do it. If you're on a Chromebook, doing a simple search, you can find how to do screenshots on that, and if needed, I'll also provide a video on how to do that. But for Windows, it's really easy. All we need to do is we just need to hit the magnifying glass button. We just type snip, S-N-I-P, and it'll bring up the snipping tool. Okay, and this is what we are going to use. So when we finish a challenge on FreeCodeCamp where you need to turn in a screenshot with me, you're going to end up having to give a look at your code. So a lot of times all I need to see is that you have done something. Other times I need to actually dive into your code. So on the instances where all I need to do is just see that you have done something, I just need a screenshot. So here is one of the ways that you could show that you have done the first challenge, the H1 element challenge, and we can go ahead and use the snipping tool. So when we go to click this drop down caret, we can choose how we want to take basically a screenshot. We don't need to do a full screen. We don't need to really do a window snip if you're using multiple monitors. The easiest one is just to do a rectangular snip, and it's going to gray out everything, and all you need to do is just highlight what you want to turn in as a snip. So here's a couple things that I need to see in your screenshot. I need to see the URL so I know which challenge we are on, okay? And I need to see that you are 100% complete with it. You have passed the test, okay? So now when you get this window for the snipping tool, you have to save this. You got to choose where you want to save it and what you want to save it as. I would probably pick maybe create a folder on your desktop or in your documents folder for these individual challenges and give it a specific name. So if we went and did documents, let's say FreeCodeCamp challenges, we create a folder, we go into that folder, and what do we want to put in this folder? This challenge, which we could give it that name. Maybe we're just going to call it HTML1 because that's the number on the challenge that we finished, and we know it was of the HTML challenges. So that would just be an easy one to find. So when you have assignments where you have to turn in HTML challenges 1 through 5, this is an easy way to pull this up. So you can go ahead and click save, and you have it. Okay. There's other ways so that you could prove that you have finished this challenge. So let's say that you didn't have that. Instead of you rerunning that code, it's not necessary. I need to know that we're in your account. So if you were taking a screenshot of this, that would be okay. I know that you have an account created, and then I need at least a picture of this. So you could also take a snip of these challenges, say for the 1 through 5, that would work as well. So I could open up the magnifying glass, type snip, go to snipping tool. We want to take a rectangle, and it's going to do whatever was the last one. Now if you're doing this one, I need the screenshot to include the challenges that you are turning in. So if this is 1 through 5, I need 1 through 5. I need to be able to see those. Okay, but I also need to see this top number up here. So we can see, how many of those challenges do you have done of those. I need to see the check marks for these to mark off that you have done that. Again, we would need to give some type of name. So if I'm doing FreeCodeCamp challenges, maybe I might title this HTML 1 through 5, and then I would click save, and then that would be something that I would turn in, whether I'm turning into whatever format we're using for the class. I would be able to turn in those screenshots to prove that I have done the work. All right, good luck, have fun.